today is a big one. My 2021 G14 is officially dying at 100 Celsius. We have lost a 3000 points, and this isn't just a basic repaste. It is a high-stake surgery to save this golden CPU. And we as well gonna perform a massive mod, GPU mod, where we're gonna build a triple layer fortress to make sure that this liquid metal build is leak proof. If I win, we get our 12,000 points back of performance in Cinebench. If I fail, the motherboard is toast, is basically dead. So welcome, I'm Mr. Pawlyk, and let's get right into it. Step one, we're going to remove this bottom panel, and then one of the most important things of tonight, we're gonna remove a battery, because one dropped screw while powered and it's basically game over. Okay, says I'm open. Look at that, it looks pretty. I need some cleaning to do. This is not so dusty as I expected. So now we're gonna unscrew the heatsink and we'll see the damage. Each corner and we number it. We need to screw in the right order to make it sure even tension spread. Moment of truth. Let's see the damage. Yeah. Oh my god. You know what I did forget? Unplug the fans. It looks pretty dry. Nothing really left. That's how it looks after 5 years of use. It's literally dry spot in the middle, basically failing. This is why we are thermal throttling. So right now, we're quickly gonna do the cleaning. As soon as I finish, I will get back to you. Look at that, and that's a factory liquid metal application. As you can see, right here, under the barrier, there is a flipping liquid metal next to capacitors. It's just disaster. Finally finished cleaning, it's shiny. It took a while because the original thermal paste, it was quite hard. Right now, we are building a triple layer fortress to make this a leak proof. First of all, we'll be applying a MG Chemical 422B. That's gonna be a first layer, which when tightens, it's gonna be a protection from liquid metal. I'll be painting this silicone coating over every SMD capacitor to electrically seal them. You need to be very careful that it does not touch the die. Right now, when we apply this, we need to wait at least like around 10 minutes or so. So, silicone coating finish. Kapton tape is on. Now we're gonna do a perimeter wall of TG Putty Pro. This ensures that even if the liquid metal moves, it has nowhere to go. This GPU mod is the only way safely run liquid metal long term. Custom barrier is finished. I'll be honest with you, I did that first time, so I'm not entirely sure, like if I overdo it or if that is just perfect, but I guess we're gonna find out when we'll be doing the benchmarks. Next, we are ditching the factory thermal pads. They are inconsistent and we are replacing everything on the VRMs and with the TG Putty Pro. It compresses perfectly, allowing the heatsink to sit 100% flat. Before the final drop, we tin the copper. Gallium migrates into the copper initially, so we saturate the pores now to ensure the thermal bridge stays liquid. So now it's time for Conductonaut Extreme. A tiny drop, then we massage it until it's perfect chrome mirror. No air bubbles, no excess, just a perfect path for the heat to escape. Now when we finish all, the last thing is left, lower the heatsink down and tighten the all buttons. Tension is everything. I'm following the numbers diagonal pattern to sandwich the liquid metal perfectly. Finger tight first, then final snug. This is where we pray for no leaks. Apply a tiny bit of liquid metal on the heatsink and then we'll be able to lower it down and tighten up everything. It was a few struggles, but I made it through. So moment of truth, and if it posts, that's a huge win. So let's test. Hopefully it works. What? Come on, look at it. So let's see 100 Celsius reality check is over. If we can hit the 12,000 points in Cinch, and my G14 is officially alive. So I did run a Cinebench test. We couldn't hit the 12,000 points, but we did manage 10,800, and that clearly shows degrade over the years in performance. And full performance diagnosis I will present you in the next video, where we'll be able to compare all the numbers and see how that liquid metal application did help with this bad boy. And that's not the only liquid metal application happening. So the next patient on my list is the PS5 from 2020, the release day standard PS5, to see how that liquid metal holds on that PS5 for so many years. And obviously we'll be attempting to change that. So if you don't want to miss all these videos, please subscribe, hit the like on this video. That would be really helpful. Thank you for being here. I will see you in the next video. Bye.